How to create a link in bio page using Elementor? Whether you're an influencer, content creator, or running a personal blog, having a well-designed link in bio page can be a game changer for your online presence. But what exactly is a link in bio? If you have ever used Instagram, TikTok, or even LinkedIn, you know that this platform usually limits you to having just one clickable link in your bio. That's where a link in bio page comes in handy. It allows you to share multiple links through one simple page, helping you direct your audience to other social media profiles, website, products, services, or any content you want to promote. A great example of the power of link in bio pages is Linktree, which has built an entire business around this concept. Linktree started with a simple idea of offering a customizable link in bio service, and today the company is valued at millions of dollars. They have helped thousands of users streamline their online presence and maximize their engagement. Now with Elementor, you can create your own link in bio page fully tailored to your brand without needing to rely on third-party platforms. And now I show you how to do it. I am Nick from their teams and welcome to this new tutorial. Let's get started with creating a link in bio page on your WordPress site using Elementor. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Pages on the left-hand menu. Click Add New to create a new page. Name it something like Link in Bio or any title that fits your brand. Next, click on Edit with Elementor. This will take you to the Elementor editor where you can start designing your link in bio page. In the Elementor template library, select Link in Bio from the drop-down. Elementor offers various ready-made template kits for link in bio pages, which are a great starting point. Pick one that resonates with your style and click Insert. Now that the template is loaded, you can begin customizing it to suit your needs. Select the component from the navigator on the right of our screen, and through the Content tab, we can start to customize our widget. You can change the profile image, its style and position. You can change the main text like the heading, tagline, and change the icon shown. Obviously, the most important thing is that we can remove, add, or modify our links on our link buttons panel. It's very useful that we can also decide the type of the link and select, for example, file download from the proper drop-down option. Then we can decide the style of all these components through the Style tab and decide, for example, the size of our profile image, the typography, and the colors of all icons and the text of our page. On the Link Buttons panel, we can decide the style of our links and set the color of the entire widget on the box panel. Since most people will access your link in bio page from their phones, it's crucial to make sure the design is mobile friendly. To do this, click on the mobile icon at the top of the Elementor editor. This will show you how the page looks on smaller screen. Now, one very important thing we need to do is adjust some settings on our page. Let's go to the page settings and select Canvas as the template for our page to delay the header, footer, and automatic title for your page. Secondly, we need to set the color blue to our entire page. We can do it through the Style tab and the dedicated background color option. Once you're happy with your page, you can click Publish to make it live. Now you have a beautiful and functional link in bio page ready to share with your customers. That's it. You have just created a custom link in bio page with Elementor Pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on WordPress, Elementor, and web design. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a specific tutorial you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.